Welcome to AltaCast Mobile Filmmaking Workshop. In this session, I'm going to show you how to play with photographs in KineMaster, how to zoom in and out, and how to pan a photograph in KineMaster, making it look as if we have shot a video instead of showing photographs. We are first going to start with zoom in and zoom out. We are also going to pan. We also will see how to pan and zoom in and zoom out. So we'll first start with panning left to right and right to left. Then we'll do zoom in and zoom out. And then we'll do panning as well as zooming in or zooming out, right? So here goes. I'm going to start KineMaster. Start KineMaster. If you got any projects in your mobile phone, they will show up here on the right. I'm going to delete this project, right? I'm going to delete this project. Now, when you open KineMaster, if you don't have any projects already into your mobile phone, you'll see this screen, right? We are going to your first concern with the central button, which will help you start up new project. Once you press the new project button, you will come to this screen, which has got several aspect ratios. About aspect ratios in another lesson, but we are going to use 16 by 9. I am going to click this and I open a project. Now once you click on the 16 by 9, what you're seeing now are the folders in your mobile phone. All the images, all the graphics, all the videos that are there on your mobile phone. Let me go to a folder called WhatsApp images. I'm going to select one image here. I'm going to select this image of sunset, and I'm going to tick mark on the right top. There's a tick mark button, tick mark here. This is the image. Now this image is playing for 2 seconds, 0, 1 and 2, right? It stops there. Now if you want to change how many seconds the photo should be when it comes to KineMaster, you have to click this gear icon on the left, and you can go to the editing section of that part, and you can see here the amount of number of seconds that the video clip is going to play. By default, I am going to change it to 5, right? And I am going to say tick mark again. Now when I introduce a new image, for introducing another image, I have to just press this media button here, and I'm going to see all the folders again. I am going to go to my camera folder. This is my camera folder, and I am going to now select the image, which is a group photo, right? There is a group photo which I have in this particular mobile phone. Now this image, if you see, will play for 5 seconds. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? This will play for exactly 5 seconds. Now what we are going to do is, I'm going to delete this first image here. I select this image, and there's a dustbin bin here. I select that is gone. Now I'm going to do a left to right pan, and I'm also going to do a right to left pan. At the same time, I'm also going to zoom into the faces of the people in the photograph. How do I do that? First step is to zoom in. I'm going to use this. When I tick on the photograph, it gets selected, right? Now there's a new menu that happens. There's a new menu that comes up on the right. I'm going to use the second one here, second one, and what I get here is start position and end position. I'm going to select, see, this is the end position and this is the start position. End position, start position. I'm going to select the start position, and with my two fingers, I'm going to pinch out and zoom into this. So I have zoomed in to the start position. I'm going to use the end position, again zoom in, and I'm going to now show this, right? This is the end position. I'm going to do the tick mark. Now see what happens. Now I have actually panned, zoomed in and pan at the same time, right? Now if I want to do it again, let us say I want to repeat this from left to right. I'm going to select this, right? I'm going to select this, and I'm going to now click on this button here, right? And I get a menu here. I'm going to say as duplicate, right? So then press this again. Now see, I've got a duplicate, one here, one here. This I'm going to change. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go here. I'm going to do exactly opposite. Now this start position I'm going to define as this, right? And end position I'm going to define as this. Now when I play this, see what happens. It goes to from left to right, and then it will go from right to left. So how fast or how slow you want it, it depends on the duration of the photo. If I increase the duration here, then it'll play slowly. See, it'll play slowly. Right? Well, that's how you do it, right? Now I'm going to use another photograph. I'm going to again go to media folder. I'll go to the WhatsApp images, and let us say I pick up one photograph from here. This is one photograph which I pick up. Now again, it'll now play for 5 seconds, right? Because my default has been changed. So now I'm going to click this. I'm going to show which product is this guy is selling. So I click on this button, start position. I focus on the face of this person. End position, I focus on the products that is selling, right? So now see how this goes. See, that's how you do it. So zoom in, zoom out, and pan. So try this out today so that we can proceed with our lesson ahead.